Love the smell of freshly baked bread in your kitchen? Look no further. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best bread makers of 2020 that'll help you create the perfect loaf every single time. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a beginner, these bread makers have something for everyone. Let's dive right in. Number 1. The Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker is a top-tier appliance that brings professional-level bread baking to your kitchen. This advanced bread maker offers a versatile range of settings, allowing you to bake a variety of breads, from basic white loaves to gluten-free, multigrain, and even vegan options. It features dual kneading blades and an extra heater on the lid, ensuring that each loaf is evenly mixed and perfectly browned. One of the standout features of the Virtuoso Plus is its user-friendly LCD control panel. With multiple pre-programmed settings, including options for dough, cake, jam, and sourdough starter, this machine makes bread making accessible for both beginners and seasoned bakers. The 13-hour delay timer is perfect for those who want to wake up to the smell of freshly baked bread, while the rapid bake setting delivers a loaf in just 2.5 hours. Durable and reliable, the Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus has a sturdy stainless steel exterior, complementing any kitchen decor. Its easy-to-clean non-stick pan and removable blades simplify cleanup. For anyone serious about homemade bread, the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus delivers bakery-quality results with minimal effort. Number 2. The Breville Custom Loaf Maker is a versatile and innovative bread maker designed for home bakers seeking convenience and variety. Its standout feature is the customizable settings that allow you to tweak the crust color, loaf size, and dough type, ensuring you get a personalized loaf every time. Whether you're making a standard white bread, whole wheat, or even gluten-free options, this machine offers precise control. Equipped with a smart LCD screen, the Breville Custom Loaf Maker offers 13 automatic settings and 3 crust color options. You can choose from 4 different loaf sizes, making it perfect for both small households and larger families. The collapsible kneading blade is a unique feature, folding in after mixing to reduce the hole in the bottom of the loaf, giving it a more professional appearance. For busy bakers, the 13-hour delay start feature is a game-changer, allowing you to set up your ingredients in advance and wake up to freshly baked bread. The machine also has a dedicated fruit and nut dispenser, ensuring that add-ins are mixed in at the right time. With its sleek stainless steel design and advanced functionality, the Breville Custom Loaf Maker makes it easy to create bakery-quality bread at home with minimal effort. Number 3. The Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker is a compact and efficient bread machine perfect for smaller households or those with limited kitchen space. Despite its small size, this versatile bread maker packs a punch, offering all the essential features needed to make a variety of breads, cakes, and even jams. Its 1-pound loaf capacity is ideal for singles, couples, or small families who prefer fresher, smaller batches of bread. Equipped with a user-friendly LCD control panel, the Zojirushi Mini offers multiple baking settings, including regular, firm, and soft bread textures, as well as a quick bake option. It also has programs for kneading dough for pizza or rolls, ensuring you have options beyond just traditional bread. The compact size doesn't compromise quality, as it delivers consistent, evenly baked loaves thanks to its advanced heating elements and kneading blade. The mini bread maker also includes a 13-hour delay timer, allowing you to schedule your baking in advance, and a viewing window to monitor the process. With its sleek, space-saving design, the Zojirushi Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker is perfect for kitchens of any size, offering bakery-quality results without taking up much counter space. It's a perfect choice for anyone looking to bake fresh bread effortlessly. Number 4. The Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker is a versatile and space-saving appliance designed for those who love homemade bread but want a more compact machine. Ideal for kitchens with limited counter space, this bread maker offers a range of features without compromising on performance. It can bake up to a 2-pound loaf, making it perfect for small to medium-sized families. The Cuisinart Compact features 12 pre-programmed settings, allowing you to create various bread types, including gluten-free, artisan, and whole wheat. It also has options for dough, cakes, and jams, making it a multi-purpose kitchen tool. With 3 crust settings, light, medium, and dark, and multiple loaf size options, you can customize each bake to your liking. A standout feature is the 13-hour delay start timer, which lets you prepare ingredients in advance and have fresh bread ready when you want it. The bread maker also offers a quick bake setting that produces a loaf in under 2 hours. The viewing window and easy-to-read LCD display make monitoring the process simple. With its sleek design and stainless steel finish, the Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker is perfect for home bakers who want professional quality bread in a compact and user-friendly machine. Number 5. The Amazon Basics Bread Making Machine is an affordable and user-friendly option for home bakers looking to enjoy fresh, homemade bread without a high-end price tag. This machine is ideal for beginners and those who want a simple, no-fuss bread maker that delivers consistent results. It offers a 2-pound loaf capacity, making it perfect for families or those who want to bake in larger batches. Featuring 12 pre-programmed settings, the Amazon Basics Bread Maker allows you to create a variety of breads, including white, whole wheat, and gluten-free options. It also has settings for dough, cake, and even jam, adding versatility to your kitchen. The machine's easy-to-use control panel and intuitive design make it simple to select the desired program, loaf size, and crust shade, light, medium, or dark. With a 13-hour delay timer, you can plan ahead and wake up to the smell of freshly baked bread. The viewing window allows you to keep an eye on the baking process, while the non-stick bread pan makes cleanup easy. For those looking for a budget-friendly, reliable, and straightforward bread maker, the Amazon Basics Bread Making Machine is a great choice to enjoy homemade bread with minimal effort.